Today I am going to tell you what is the use of MU button in the calculator. So guys, MU stands for markup. Basically we use it for showing off the discount. For example, if a product, you have a product and you want, or you go to a shop and the shopkeeper want to sell you a product and the product value is 900, but he want a profit. He said he want to keep 20% profit on it. Okay, so what he will calculate first 900 plus 20 and then percent button. So he want to sell you the product in 1080. Okay, now what he want to do is he want to show you that he want to give you 60% off. But if he give you 60% off, he cannot cover the cost of the product. So what he will do, he will mark up the price. How he will mark up the price? He want to mark up the price by 60%, and then he will give you 60% off. Now what he will do, he put 1080. Okay, then he will press MU button, then 60, because he want to mark up the price by 60%, and then press percent button. So 2700, he will tell you the product value is 2700, but he will give you 60% off. So what he will do, he will show you, okay, the product value is 2700, and then he will tell you, okay, I will give you 60% off on that product. So what he will do minus 60 and then percent button. So now by that method, what he will achieve, he give you 60% off, plus he also get his profit, which is 20% on the product. So basically this method is used in retail shop or wholesale shop, in retail shop, if you go to a garment shop, if you want to buy a t-shirt, or shops like this that has markup prices and they want to show you that they are giving you a good discount. So that's the technique, that's the method they are using, because if they are used on paper, they have to do too many calculations to mark up the price. So I will show you with one more example. For example, if you have a product, let's say value is 700, and you want to keep a profit of 20%, so that's the value 840 you want to sell the product on. Now you want to mark up the price by 50%. Okay, so what you will do, you will write 840 MU 50 and then percent button. So what you will do, 1680. You will tell your customer that the product value is 1680, but I will give you 50% off. Okay, so what you will do, you will tell him, let's see, 1680. Okay, this is the value of the product, sir or madam, and I am giving you 50% off. So press minus 50 and then percent button. So by that he said, okay sir, I will give you a product on 840. By that he will also get his profit, he will also get the cost value of the product, and he will also tell you that, look, I am giving you a discount. So this is a good method in that we see in day-to-day businesses, in different kind of businesses surrounding us. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and please share my video. Thank you very much.